How to transfer money from Santander Bank to another bank online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Santander Bank account to another bank online. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here I am going to launch my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, here you will need to type in santander.co.uk. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Santander Bank. Here make sure you are logged into your account. You may also tap on log on button at the top right in order to log into your account. Once you have accessed your Santander online banking account, you will need to head over to the Payments and Transfer tab. There you will need to click on Set up a new payment option and then choose the account you want to transfer money from. Then you will be prompted to enter the recipient's account holder name, account number, sort code and reference for the payment. Also specify whether it's personal or business account. After entering all the details, now you can enter the amount you wish to send. Also choose when to make the payment, whether immediate or scheduled. Make sure to check all the details whether they are correctly entered or not. After that, confirm the transfer. You will receive a confirmation once the transaction is successfully submitted. So, by following these steps, you should be able to transfer money from your Santander Bank account to another bank online. You may also use the mobile banking application on your device in order to do so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.